Well, good morning and welcome back to Nacho Stuff. I don't know, my car's all crazy this morning. It thinks I don't have a key. I don't know why. I've got a key in my car, but I must be running low on battery because it keeps beeping at me. So anywho's, we're gonna get after today, so we got the junk we can find. We got the back almost cleaned up. We're getting there slowly but surely. Let's see if she beeps again. Yeah, no key. What? I got a key. Anywho's, let's get after today. Let's see if there's a TV first. And crush it today. It's not, it might be a TV. Might be. Maybe. It's a little one. Just a little guy. All right. Onward. Have here. These are big old bike tires. Oh, they got air in them too. Wow, those are nice tires. 20 by 3. The brakes attached to them and everything. You think this is true stainless, guys? I don't think so. I don't think so, but we can hope so, right? Yeah. You can hope all you want, you steal. All right, onward. Looks just like the one we turned into Jeff earlier in the week. Can we get 2 stainless in a same week? This was glass. Actually, it still looks glass. Yes. Thank you. Stainless. My favorite kind of heater. Onward. I think this is for a speed bag, right? It's not a basketball hoop. I wonder if they could buy that at Play It Again Sports. What do you guys think? I should probably call, right? It's worth like, I don't know. How heavy are you? A couple dollars in scrap, maybe? I'll have to call. I might have to call before we trash this one. Pretty darn good shape. Speed bag holder, Everlast. Onward. Man, oh me, oh my, is it dried up out here? I hope it changes, because I've only gotten one message from the garbage guys. And this is all we found so far. What's going on? Looky Americanos. We've got ourselves a hot water heater. This is actually from earlier in the week. I didn't come all the way out here because this is not near where I normally hunt. So I said, I'm just gonna leave it. And it stayed, it lived. How awesome is that? I'm just gonna put you up in here for now. I'm not sure how many of my other friends are still gonna be available. Onward. 3 for 3. So I had to stop and grab this treadmill, but there was a guy backing out of his driveway, so I just ran and grabbed it quick. But it was just a stop from the garbage guys. We got this treadmill. Now we got our front loader. The garbage guys list the way to go, man. I tell you. I'm gonna miss it when Kev gets back. For sure. Just turn you around this way. Come on. What are we stuck on? Got all this long stuff in here. Okay, I think the washing machine will fit right there. This thing's really, that guy's really gumming things up. There's gotta be a dryer, right? Yes. I was gonna say, for a front loader, you're pretty light. Come on, get in there. Stay right like that. Onward. Not on the list. Another hot water heater. Oh, number. Ooh, you got some waters in you, I think. Well, actually, not much. It's just all sediment. Okay, you can go right next to our washing machine. Put you upside down so if there's any water in you, you can get out. Or not. You don't want to go that way. You want to go this way. Deal. I don't know what I'm picking up next, but hopefully it fits in there. Also gonna grab a mower, not on the list. I just need to start hunting where we're not supposed to hunt. That's the whole deal. All kind of rooms over here. All the way up. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. There we go. Mower almost won. That's too funny. So I came down here and what was on the list wasn't here, but I came down to the next street and look at this. I'm gonna get a tore up washing machine. So we've been about half and half on the list. The list is strucken out about half the time. Half the time it's been there. It's pretty good, I think, for the fact that some of these have been sitting around since Tuesday. Come on. There's no lift there, really? There we go. Okay, one more flip. We're stuck on something. What are we stuck on? Yeah! Let's flip you the other way. Stuff inside of you. Perfect. Onward. You can just call me the hot water heater guy. Oh, this one's kind of little compared to the other ones. You're really light. Okie dokie, where are we gonna go with you though? Got a bunch of awkward stuff today. Not that that's different than normal, but still. I'm gonna have to go on this side, I guess. I don't think we got strap. Okay, okay. Put you there. We're gonna undo that strap and redo it. There's enough slack, yeah, enough slack. That's enough. Okay, that's where she's going, right there. Oops. Let's go on this side. Come on, what are we stuck on? Sheesh. Come on. Get past that door. There we go. What we get hung up on, guys? There we go. That was the one we were looking for. All right, Onward. Back to the hunt for scrap. Got ourselves a tub. Oh my gosh. Why are we getting all this big stuff today? Big Chunk Friday. Okie dokie. Come on, get out of there. Thank you. Let go of my shirt. Perfect. Onward. I'm gonna grab us a grill. Where we're gonna go with it is my best question. Sheesh. It looks like we're going to the other side. Oh my gosh, there's no wheels. I guess you're just dragging your way. How do we drag this thing? Oh, yeesh. That's right where you're gonna live, I think, right there. See if we can get this apart so it's not falling apart as we drag it. Try to lighten the load lit a bit. Okie dokie, that should do. Man, I really don't want to have to carry it on the other side. Should I just throw it up there? That ain't gonna work though. That ain't gonna work. Such. Onward. Yep, we're even filming chairs today. Not that we have not a nice load, but it looks way better than it is, I think. I don't know that we have the weight that I'm looking for. We'll put you in here. Yeah. Will you fit in there or not? Not like that, you won't. Put you in like such then. Good enough. We're stopping here. See the peacock on that car in there in the garage? Oh, you crazy. Anywho's, we got ourselves a couple of fans here, folks. We're fans of fans here at Nacho Stuff. So now is your chance to take a moment and smash that like button, because that's what we do when we find fans. Hashtag fan of a fan. Look at this messy stuff we got going on today. So messy. You can go in yonder. Follow in, guys. You go in first, and then you go in. Yes, just like such. Fan 2, chair 2. Oh, my straps out of the trailer. Trying to escape. Looks like we might need another strap. What do you guys think? That's exactly what's gonna happen. Straps are my friend. Onward. Alright guys, we've made it to the yard. Ugh. Got all kinds of stuff in here today. Moving some heavy steel. available right there. Someone got the cords off of those already. Go for the motor on this one, I'm not sure yet. Depends on how busy we get and whether they move that crane or not. Come on off of there. That thing's such a pain in my butt. Gotta get the valve off of that. Good. Still. Ugh. Come on, guys. Stealing my stuff. Well, I guess we're not getting the motor off of that, are we? The motor off this. We're not gonna put it down the way. Oh gosh, I'm bungeed up front. Ooh. Come on. I think those are aluminum. Some guy flagged me down and gave me these sheets. I'm pretty sure they're aluminum. Yeah, they are. Sounds like don't take my stuff. Sound crazy. Alright, the rest of the stuff can stay here. Oh. Let's do some NFJ. Oh, Miguel. Where are you going, brother? I don't need another hood ornament. Hey.
I bet it's a cluster back there.
No, it's not bad out back actually.
Well, they have the orange crusher back there too, right? Crushing?
It's been back there for a couple of days though.
Oh, he was in here yesterday. Man, you need one of these on your back porch nowadays.
I like it. I like it a lot.
I love it too, yeah.
You want it in there or you want it there? I
In there.
broke it in half, so.
Oh, this is stainless, and that's
No, it's not clean. Not clean. How much? Man, that one was 54 pounds? That's crazy. No. Pressure washer engine. My lawnmower I couldn't get off. Can I just throw the whole thing in there? If the engine's in there. Come on, Jeff.
Come on, man.
Come on. What is that gonna go as? That other part I broke off.
This part?
Heavy, dirty, light, dirty brass.
Here. Where's the brass?
That's why it's dirty brass. Clean aluminum.
I'll bail it. We'll bail it. 4 pounds, sir.
Woohoo! I can retire.
I have a joke about procrastination.
You just don't feel like telling it?
I'll tell you later.
I'll tell you later. What do you call the head of the cups?
The head of the cup,
Yeah.
as in like a drinking cup,
Yeah.
mouth,
No, the cupton.
cup. What did the tiger say to her cubs when they wanted to go out and play?
I feel like you said this one recently. I don't remember.
Be careful, it's a jungle out there.
And be careful, it's a jungle out there. Where does the chemist wash his dishes?
Where does the wash his
In the zinc.
dish? Oh, I got a whole bunch here. What do you do if a cow, or no, what do you get if a cow is in an earthquake?
A cow in an earthquake? A shaky beef?
No, a milkshake.
A milkshake. I hate Russian dolls. They're so full of themselves.
And before you do it,
I gotta guess.
stainless sinks.
Stainless sinks.
Should be a decent number.
52.
52. You heard it here. 52.
Alrighty guys, we're weighed and paid. Not a bad day for a Friday, I've got to tell you. I mean, we didn't crush it, but we found a lot of nice big stuff. Having the list from the garbage man certainly helped a lot. We'll have that, I think, for a couple more days. I figured how long Kev said he's going to be gone for, but he normally has a list, but he allowed me, he told the guys to give me a call while I was gone, and I appreciate that. But he's definitely back at some point next week. I just don't know when. Hopefully it's middle of the week and not the beginning of the week, so that way we can enjoy that list for just a couple more days. But we'll just have to see. We'll see Kevin when we see him. But let's dive into our receipt and see how we did today, so that way I can go and try to get some things done, because we're going to kick off the weekend. So receipt 10, 1100 and I think it's 60, might be 80. I think it's a 60 though. 11.60, 7 cents a pound for 81.20. We had Irony Light, which was our dirty aluminum, 32 pounds, 33 cents a pound for 10.56. The heavy was the engine. I couldn't get the mower off. They were just on there. I tried different batteries, different bits, different strategies. They just weren't. I got one of the 3 screws out. They just weren't budging. So we just turned in the pressure washer engine. 36 pounds, 25 cents a pound for $9. And then clean aluminum were those 2 pieces that one gentleman flagged me down for. 4 pounds, 45 cents a pound for $1.80, for a grand total today of $102.56. So we just made it to our total. We did bust over 1,000 on the tin, which was nice to see. We've been, I think, a little bit shy for most of the week, at least per load, that is. But I'll take it. 102 on a Friday, and we're done at a decent time. We'll take that all day long. So that's that for the week, guys. It's going to be crisp again all week long next week, I think. Jeff was talking about there's an 8% chance of snow someplace in Florida. It's probably gonna be North Florida, not Central Florida, but not based upon the weather that I saw. But I don't know. It would be fun if it snowed down here. My kids would go gaga. They have told me that it can snow in Florida. I'm like, I don't think it's never snowed in Central Florida since I've lived here. Maybe North Florida, but not Central Florida. But that would be pretty funny. Anywho's, thanks for stopping by today. Please consider smashing that thumbs up on your way out the door. I'd greatly appreciate it. And I almost forgot, but I didn't. We're putting 20 in the box. Why? I was going to do 10, but Karen gave me all 20, so I can't do a 10. So it's either $2 or 20. And I feel like, since it was a good Friday, we're going to do it. And yesterday, I ran out to the P.O. box, and she was stuffed, guys. Look at all this stuff. I know, I was kind of lazy checking it during the holidays. I went up there once and then didn't have much, or didn't have anything. Went up there again, didn't have anything, and then I just stalled on it. I wanted to put another special thank you out there to Liz. I got them all. Thank you. We now have an axe and a maul back into the coffers so we can smash some things up. Thanks again, Liz. This is from Keith. Keith has usually said to me, make sure you check your P.O. box. He was the one that reminded me. I actually have 2 cards here from Keith. I have a white card and I have a blue card. This is the white card. When they saw the stars, they rejoiced. That was from Matthew 2:10. Oh, we've got some trailer fund too. May God bless your Christmas with hope and peace. Merry Christmas, Keith. Thank you, Keith. And let's see what we've got going into the coffers for the trailer. We've got ourselves, some nice crispy ones. 1, 2, 3, $4. That's going to be amazing to cross off some numbers. They might only be ones, but hey, that's 4 boxes. So we're gonna put it over here with our 20. Thanks again, Keith. And then we're gonna get, oh my gosh, Keith went all kind of crazy. Here's 2 more. Oh, this is for Jeff, and this is for Jacob. Oh, I'm glad I didn't open those. Oh, I'll have to swing back around and get Jeff. Watch for that on Jeff. I didn't know that he sent it to me. So the white one's mine. These 2 blue ones are for Jeff and for Jacob. And this is from our good friend in Rumsgate, Miss Jari. Let's see what we got going here.
Sorry, I don't understand.
I'm not talking to you.
Okay.
Ramsgate wishes you a Merry Christmas. To Matt and family, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Hope you enjoy every moment. Lots of love and happiness for 2025. Love, Layla and Billy the dog. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love Christmas cards. We got to get Jeffy his. And this one is from Gus from Fort Myers. And Gus is, I believe, sent me some coins because this is a pretty heavy little envelope he's got going here. Let's see what we got going on. We got ourselves a Santa. And we say, may the blessings of Christmas be with you today and always. Your friend, Gus. Oh, this is Gus from Fort Myers. He's 12, I forgot. And Gus has been sending me all kind of coins. This is probably, I think, the third or fourth time Gus has sent me some stuff. And these, again, are all 1981s. He sent me 4 quarters, 2 pennies, and a dime. So that's 5, 6, 7 more closer to the world record. We're gonna get there, guys. It might take a while, but we'll get there. Thank you, Gus. And these were Jacob, and this is, we read that one. This is going into the trailer. So those are all our letters. Thank you again, everybody. We're gonna get these to Scrap Life and to Jeff. Watch their channels to see what they had to say. Again, thank you for the nice letters. Thank you for them all. Thank you for watching the channel. And we'll catch you guys next week. Until then, be safe, be happy, and we'll see you guys on Monday.